surprises. Mommy wants to see what the surprise is. Look at that thing. It's already bigger than me.
Great Dane, they get fucking huge. Did you see the parents at all?
No,
She's 8 weeks old right now.
you see this puppy?
Yeah, that's what I want. I don't know if I'm ready yet, but I do want one. I do want a big one.
Tristan, look at this puppy. What's her name? Project X?
I would like to have one. I miss my bulldog.
Look how long his legs are. Is that normal?
Mom, it's going to be taller than you by the size. By the time
Come here and see me. See me.
They get about this big.
So it's going to be like
They do?
Yeah, she should be about this big.
I gave her,
How much is she?
Huh?
How much is she?
Nice.
Lee says, is it a tractor to come around the yard? I said, well, it could be a tractor and a plow later. You could probably hook her up to the plow.
These will not last. That's all the dollars. Sorry.
I still got those big
That's all
ones.
they had is the dollar store. It's nice to invest in a colony.
What did you name her?
I didn't name her anything. She looks like a Rosa Lee. Or a Daisy Duke. A Daisy Duke. Whatever you guys...